أدناه غين خاء والقاف أقصى اللسان فوق. So we talked about غين خاء. Now we're going on to والقاف أقصى اللسان فوق. Imam al-Jazzi says is that أقصى اللسان, the furthest part of the tongue, above what? Above where the place of غين خاء were. So just after غين خاء, you can see here, that is Qaaf. Okay. Now, here's a look at the soft palate. If you look at this, that there was a uvula. All that space, all that space at the back, behind the teeth, that's all of the soft palate, right? So what Qaaf does is like over there. Okay. Now, the sound of it is like this. Okay. I'm sure you've heard that. And so it feels softer than if you were to use anything in the front. Those are the three senses, right? You've seen it, you've heard it, and you've listened to it. Okay. Now, here's the letter itself. Qa, qa, qaf, qa, qa, qaf. Okay, that is qaf. Okay. Notice also that there is the curvature, the tongue, just like for ghain kha. Okay, curvature in the tongue. How? See, that's the middle of the tongue. You curve the middle down. Okay, so it goes as huh? Qa, 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 qa. Okay, qa, qa. Okay, that is qaf. Now, these three are all from the same part of the top of the roof of the roof of the mouth, right? They're from the soft palate. Here, you can see that red part there is soft palate on top of the mouth. This yellow part, that is the hard palate. Okay, so they all come from the same palate place, the soft palate. Ghain is the furthest down. Kha is basically the same place but just above it, and Qaaf is above both of them. Okay. Notice also that the uvula is behind. Okay, the uvula dangles over here. Okay, Ghain is very close to the uvula, but it's on the soft palate, and Kha is very close to the uvula too, but it's on the soft palate. Qaaf is quite far away from the uvula, and that is more closer to Kaaf, which is over there, which we'll see next. Okay, so Kaaf is what? The farthest part of the tongue, just like Qaaf is the farthest part of the tongue, but it's with the hard and soft palate. And actually, the hard palate, you can hear it more. Okay, that's what it sounds like. If I was to go behind a little bit, right? If I was to go over here, that's where Qaaf is. Right? Qaaf, Qaaf, Qaaf. Right? Then I go a bit forward on the tongue. Kaaf. See how it looks? See how that's a lot more forward than Qaaf. Look, Qaaf is a lot more back. Kaaf is more forward, and you can feel the difference. The soft palate is softer, you can feel it, and the Kaaf from the hard, you can feel it. It's a lot harder because it's where the hard palate begins. Ak, 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 One common mistake is that, especially in English, we use the middle of the tongue to do a k sound, like that's a lot further forward. That's like around here. We don't want to go there. We want to go behind a little bit, just tiny bit, just a tiny bit. And then that's Kaaf. See how it's a lot deeper than that's correct. Okay, all right. Comparing them both, look, Qaaf is behind on the soft palate, Kaaf is in front on the hard palate. And Kaaf is not heavy, so it has a straight, its tongue goes straight down. Okay, there's no curvature in the tongue.